Hello, Lord of the Rings and Hobbit fans. Alpha Price here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have Orcrist to show you. It is the Goblin Cleaver. It is the Elven Sword from Gondolin. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get right into this. Gonna show you the art box first. This is the front. And this is the back. And this is the COA, Certificate of Authenticity. Pretty cool. And on the back of this is pretty cool. They had done that as the map of Thorin, which is really, really cool. Nice little touch to what they did there. And this is the platform. Really cool. And here is the blade of Orcrist. Really nice blade, so elegant. Show you some close-ups here. I like how the hilt is going beyond that into the point there, as you can see there, which is really, really cool. And then you can see the Hobbit insignia, the license. Really, really cool. Like how it widens up at the top here, towards the tip. Really, really cool. Like that design on here. See the butt end of this. Oh, I see. That's cool. I really like that. That's really, really cool. On the butt end of the sword here. Very cool blade. So here's what it looks like in hand. Very cool. I really like this blade. It's very nice. Also trying to decide if I'm going to put it in here, like you can see here, open spot, and have the blade go down here, like in between there, going down to the light switch here. Or let's see, or if I put it up on this wall somewhere. Over here, I'm going to be putting Anduril, and then I'm hoping to get possibly the Gandalf staff, one of his staffs, and put it to the right. And if I have room, I might put it there, but it might look cluttered. Or I could possibly go on this wall and start a series of swords along this wall, or do like a big huge picture there, like as you can see here, and go with a picture in the middle and then swords on the sides, or just dual swords. I like to have like to see what you guys think of that idea, or go with the other one, put it in the hallway, and then you can see where those pictures are. Those are going to be where I'm putting Eowyn sword, Theoden sword, and Eomer sword, and Theodred's. If I can get a hold of that one, that'd be kind of nice to get, and I could put all 4 swords all on this wall over here, right where these quartet little pictures are. And then over here, as you can see here, I have the swords in the dark swords, whatever. Like you can see Witch King and the Ringwraith sword, Margot blade. Above, I'm going to be putting the Scimitar sword that the Uruks have, and then possibly pictures up there and whatnot. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. What you think it would look good there. And then above here, I'm going to be putting that high elven sword there. And then maybe, if you guys think, put Orcrist either to the left or to the right. Or if that's going to be too cluttered, I don't know. So, I'd like to see what you guys think of that. So, yeah. Yeah, so let me know in the comments down below what you guys think, where it would be best to put. And like and subscribe, and see you in the next video, guys. Okay, see ya.